hope you're okay, hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. So we have an unboxing for you guys, probably split into two parts, but some stuff in here and just a few boxes that we're going to show you guys. Sale is still ongoing, so you guys can pick some of these things up. And yeah, I think that's about it. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video.
I think people are still waiting for new ends, but I think because we do the styling, it's good to take advantage of the sale. So we're gonna do the sale for a bit, and then we maybe, I don't know, when it's autumn, proper autumn,
maybe end of September, beginning August. I mean
October. Yeah, then fall stuff will start
coming through. I'm excited for those ones actually. Alrighty, first pencil we're going to show you guys is this one. Slim pick. And in this one we have a pair of grey jeans. Now these ones were mine. They are just high-waisted, wide leg grey jeans. I like the button in the center. That looks very, very cool. We got these in a size 10, and it looks quite small, so we'll see in the try on. But it does have a slight stretch to it, so we should be safe. Pockets in the back, very big, which I like. I think it looks very cool, artistic, and then yeah, just simple grey jeans. I think we picked this up because of the color. Majority of our jeans are blue, black, or whatnot, but we thought these would be a very good wardrobe piece for times that this color is actually called ice grey. The times that you don't want to maybe wear white or anything, but you need a lightly colored jean, I think this would really.
For those who don't want white jeans, but they want something that is summer appropriate or spring fall appropriate,
then
ice grey
good
is a good one.
Next one.
I'm just loving the wide leg thing.
Yeah.
For those who are skinny, please move away from skinny jeans. You have the privilege to, wear all the wide legs that's out there. Take advantage of
it. Next one is also a pair of jeans. Are these mine or yours?
There's nothing in there. I hardly buy jeans.
I was gonna say it true. This one is also in a size 10.
I really like this, because for the longest time I've been looking for Bermuda shorts that are like even church appropriate.
Would you want to describe what Bermuda shorts are to shorts?
Bermuda shorts in a nutshell is the long, shorts that is not
hot pants.
It's not hot pants. It's not like even middle length. They're usually long.
Yeah, but they're still above your knee.
Yeah. Yeah. If you say something is a short, it's likely to be above the knee. Yeah. Sure. If you go below the knee, then you're moving into capri, and then ankle grazers and cropped and that sort of thing.
I think Bermuda shorts also have a certain cut or style to them. They seem a little bit wider. They're not tight, basically. Yeah. They're a bit of a looser fit.
The original Bermuda shorts were would I say flouncy? They were a bit flowy,
right? Wide,
long, and without structure.
Okay.
They were a bit, fluid. Yeah. But now it's changing.
So these are in what they call candy blue, and they feel again very durable and really good. So like Mummy was saying, I think because of its length and its cut, you could wear it to slightly more. I don't know, church events, things that are a bit more formal.
Can we see the name of the jean and the tags, please? Yeah. So that just in case somebody's wondering.
Yeah, I've showed the tag already.
Oh, have you? Okay. It says the 70s Bermuda.
Yeah.
And the tag. You show the tag as well already? Okay. If you have, that's fine.
Next.
But all these are for $5.99, $7.99.
Yeah, that's right?
So if you want to stock up for even next summer, God willing, then there's opportunity to do it.
Yeah, really good opportunity. Next parcel, we have. I think these are also shorts, but we just got them in another color.
The reason why we have so many shorts is that I wanted to style shorts, do shorts outfits.
Right.
And I wanted it to be appropriate for all ages.
All ages. Versatile.
All ages, yeah. So I
Really
went
nice.
hunting, and luckily I found a few good ones.
So these shorts were actually in a medium. Let's put them back. So was this in the boys section? See
No,
this is the girls.
Yeah.
Oh. And they're like a beige chino. I don't know how to describe sort of color.
It's
But
like a
again,
linen mix,
very
isn't
good.
it?
Yeah.
It has a linen mix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, with that, it comes a bit more formal than the jeans. I
Yeah.
think.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. This with a nice ecru beige, even lace, or the soft satin looking viscous tops. Will be appropriate for church.
Yeah.
Will be brilliant for church. Yeah.
And then it has those sort of inverted pockets in the front and in the back, still keeping everything very clean, very formal, which is also really, really nice. But then again, summer appropriate because of its color. So I think
I was hoping this was actually like a two-piece, like a blazer or a waistcoat or something.
Right, yeah.
And that would have been very great. It would be good.
Spot on.
It would have been even office appropriate, depending on what you do.
So hopefully we'll try these on and see how they fit. But I'm very happy in how they look. So yeah, I think shorts, naturally people think casual, but I think the way they are, especially in Zara, you can use them for a look.
I think the Bermuda shorts became like popular. Is it last season? That's when it started.
Okay.
So
yeah, I've only heard of them this year. I don't know them
because usually the designers do it, and then it comes to the high street at some point. So that's where it started, where they had, the very wide, shorts.
Okay, with these shorts, also Bermuda, but these are slightly shorter than the ones we saw before. I really like the color on this. It's like
it's a two-piece actually.
Stage. Also, did it have a vest or a...
It had a. You remember your first Zara vlog you did with your friends, Essay and what's her name?
Like the Jacquemus looking.
Yeah, you even pointed to it,
Yeah,
and you said you liked it. It was a short sleeve type of.
So it has that sort of top.
Yeah.
Right. So, or is it the exact same? I don't even.
This is the same thing, but then this is the short bits of it.
Right.
Yeah.
So yeah, I really like the color. I think this is just really pretty. Let me show you guys the tag so you can. Also in a size medium. So again, we'll see how it fits. But I think it's the panels in the front, or is it folds? I don't know, darts. I don't know what they are.
They're pleats.
Pleats.
Yeah.
In the front are really nice, and these also have pockets on the sides, seeing as so you can still use them. I think they're gonna look really cool on. The way they're cut, they come out on the sides, I think makes it really, really nice.
Yeah, like flared or A-lined shorts.
Is it? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah.
I like the sort of minimal look.
Yeah,
all of them have.
It's very simplistic and clean. It makes it look high end as well.
And it is tailored, so it makes it more, like you're saying, it makes it more, above your average shorts. For those who don't like wearing denim shorts, these are good. Yeah.
So yeah, if you pop it on with your white vest or whatever, it casualizes it and makes it nice. But obviously, if you're not
this is the sort of things you see the rich people wear south of France, Greece, Riviera, going on a boat trip.
It's that boat trip,
boat cruise, something.
And the last one from the bag, this one. I don't know if we have one or two in there. Okay, we've got 2 pairs of shorts in this one. So these already, based on fabric, is different from the beige that we showed you earlier.
It looks like a viscous, isn't it?
Yeah, it feels like it. A lot softer and a lot more fluid. And it looks more casual in comparison as well.
Yeah, because it's funny you say that because it has a jacket to it, and the jacket is like a utilitarian type of jacket. It's like it has a hoodie with a string and everything. Yeah, it's a casual.
It's more casual.
It's good you picked up that. It looks like a casual.
I think for me the elastic, I don't know if it shows in it doesn't show.
Oh, okay. I know why you say it's casual, because the back gives it away. Is the top when we say casual, there's certain things that makes you see that something is like casual or formal. The top stitching alone on the pockets.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a very casual style.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because when you see things like denim jackets and what else? Most of the time they have top stitching
done on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's true.
And it gives you the casual look.
Flat pockets. These aren't functional though, unfortunately, but it does have pockets on the sides which you can use like that. So yeah, the front with the button. Obviously, this is more of a tan or a camo, I'd say, whereas that was more to the beige side of things. But I really, really like it. So we have the variety in the formal and the casual. I wanted to see.
I don't know why, but when I look at it, I see it with a jumper. Why?
A jumper.
Like an oversized jumper.
No, I see what you're talking about there.
And then trainers.
And trainers.
Yeah.
It will look really, really cool. This is actually viscose. I can't see the percentage, and polyester, but it's a mix. It's a blend.
You know something? I looked on, is it H&M and Zara? A lot of their fabrics are polyester now. I don't know.
I think it's obviously cheaper production, isn't it? So if they treat it a certain way, maybe it behaves like viscose, or they can do something to it.
I mean, for $5.99, I don't mind polyester, but for £27, £29,
no,
we're not doing that.
And in that same package, we had another pair, which obviously is very much needed, white. Now, we actually had a white pair that were jeans that we cut. Now thinking about it, now we've got these. Should we have cut them? I mean, we've used them now, and I feel like...
Yeah, they've served their purpose. And we got it from the charity shop, remember?
Yeah.
So it costs next to nothing, really.
Yeah. Obviously, over time, I feel like it's even becoming a bit miem. So this is a nice, fresh lease of life. Already, the design on it is just so cool, with the buttons on the ends. Silver as well.
It has a Chanel-esque vibe, isn't it?
Yeah, it does,
the
actually.
buttons.
It really does. And I'm trying to see if that is the back of the... Okay, no, it is the front. The buttons are like... have this sort of scratched wood detail, which I think also looks very good.
Oh, really?
And these are high-rise shorts.
It looks like an unfinished silver.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Or it's wood.
Oh, it's more wood. I'll show it to you afterwards. Yeah. These, yeah. And I
what's
think
the fabric? It looks like linen and denim together.
Yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels like denim more so than even linen, but I'm sure it does.
Okay.
And usually, obviously, with shorts and with trousers, you have your fastening in the front, but with that gone, I think it looks a little bit edgy. They've put it on the side, so if you wanted, there's a zip right there to come in and out. And the back
I think it makes it look a bit more formal and sophisticated. So it's a pair of jeans, but a tailored jean.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
There you on that one actually.
Yeah.
So the tag, I'll show it to you guys so you can have a look. We've got it in a size 10. So yeah, hopefully the fit should be really, really good. But all in all, I'm happy.
I really like to see these on because I'm very excited.
I'm very intrigued as well.
Even for the variation.
Alrighty. So that was all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I've got a feel of some of the shorts that they have and the variety of shorts that there are that you can choose from. Hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one if it fits.
Before we sign off, I'm just gonna say that I'm hoping that we can style the shorts for fall as well, because sometimes people don't know what to do.
They just wait for summer and it's just like
best. And then you're just buying it for summer and then you have to wait next season. But there's a way you can style shorts and it'll be fall appropriate.
Yeah.
With boots, with jumpers, and even blazers and all those things. So hopefully you should see all that stuff in the next
coming soon.
Yeah.
But yeah, if it fits,
feel free, have fun styling it.
Bye guys.
God bless you.